Occupations. Hello everyone. Welcome to today's lesson. Today, we will learn about occupations, which are the different jobs that people do to earn a living and help their communities. Every occupation is important because it helps make our world a better place. Let us learn some words related to the jobs that people around the world do. Accountant. A person who checks accounts for people or companies. Actor, actress. A person who performs in a film or a play. Architect. A person who designs buildings. Artist. A person who practices one of the fine arts like painting or sculpting. Astronaut. A person trained to travel in space and conduct research. Athlete. A person trained in sports. Author. A person who writes books, stories, articles, and essays. Baker. A person who makes and sells bread and cakes. Bookseller. A person who sells books. Banker. A person who works in or owns a bank. Barber. A person who cuts our hair. Botanist. A person who studies plants. Bus conductor. A person who collects fares on a bus. Cashier. A person who gives or receives money in a bank or shop. Carpenter. A person who makes furniture or other objects from wood. Chef. A person who prepares meals in restaurants. Coach. A person who trains an athlete or a team of athletes. Cobbler. A person who repairs shoes. Dancer. A person who dances professionally. Doctor. A person who treats sick people. Dentist. A doctor who looks after our teeth. Diplomat. A person who helps maintain good relations between countries. Driver. A person who drives a vehicle. Engineer. A person who designs, builds, or creates things using science and technology. Engine driver. A person who drives a railway train. Florist. A person who sells flowers. Foreman. A person who supervises workers in a factory. Farmer. A person who tills the land and grows crops. Fisherman. A person who catches fish. Guard. A person who protects people or property. Grocer. A shopkeeper who sells food and household goods. Gardener. A person who looks after a garden. Hawker. A person who sells goods on the street. Inspector. A police officer who checks and investigates. Jockey. A person who rides horses in races. Janitor. A person who cleans and maintains a building. Judge. A person who decides cases in court. Jeweler. A person who makes or sells jewelry. Juggler. A person who entertains by juggling objects. Laborer. A person who does manual work. Locksmith. A person who makes and repairs locks. Lawyer. A person who gives legal advice and represents people in court. Musician. A person who plays musical instruments or composes music. Mechanic. A person who repairs vehicles and machines. Miner. A person who works in a mine. Minister. A person who conducts religious services in a church. Nanny. A person who looks after children. Nurse. A person who cares for sick people. Optician. A person who checks eyes and sells glasses or lenses. Operator. A person who answers telephone calls in an office. Policeman. A member of the police force. Soldier. A member of the army who serves and protects the country. Scientist. A person who studies science and makes discoveries. Shepherd. A person who looks after sheep. Singer. A person who sings professionally. Surgeon. A doctor who performs operations. Tailor. A person who sews or alters clothes. Teacher. A person who teaches in a school. Waiter. A person who serves food and drinks in a restaurant. Conclusion. We have learned about many different occupations and the important roles people play in society. Every job is valuable and helps make our communities stronger and better. Keep learning and exploring different occupations. One day, you may choose a career that helps others and makes a positive difference in the world. Thank you for watching.